And a custody battle heats up. Family and friends are staking out tonight, trying to prevent a little girl from being taken from her foster parents. Good evening, I'm Peter Dowd.
And I'm Andrea Fujii.
A Santa Clarita girl is at the center of a tug-of-war among her foster family out of state relatives and federal law. KCAL9's Christy Fajardo is live outside the home with supporters tonight. Christy?
Yeah, Peter, the later it gets, the crowd here only grows. Many of the people you see here have volunteered to stay overnight. They say if authorities come to remove Lexi, they plan to capture it all on video. Now, we should mention the foster family says they are under a court order not to tell Lexi what is happening, so we've also blurred her face to protect her privacy. Round-the-clock prayers for two foster parents trying to keep their family together. Neighbors stand vigil outside their Santa Clarita home, hoping their presence will prevent the county from enforcing a court order to take 6-year-old Lexi, who's part Choctaw.
We implore the county not to prematurely take Lexi from her home while the legal process plays out over the coming days.
For more than 4 years, Lexi has called Rusty Page and his wife family. They had hoped to adopt her, but found themselves up against the Indian Child Welfare Act, which was created to keep Native American children with Native American families. The Pages lost their appeal and say they were informed Lexi would be sent to Utah this weekend to live with extended family members who aren't Native American.
My wife and I are struggling. The kids have no idea what's going on.
The California Children's Law Center, which represents Lexi, says the child has had monthly visits with her extended family and has a loving relationship with them, and adds Lexi will be living with one biological sibling and down the street from another.
You know, Lexi also has biological siblings in LA County. Lexi also views our children as her siblings. She's grown up with them.
The Pages hope on Monday that argument will persuade the California Supreme Court to issue a stay. But legal expert Steve Meister says it's a tough case to make, especially since Lexi will also be living with a sibling.
The law in Los Angeles County, throughout California, throughout the state, and under the Indian Child Welfare Act all says the same thing, that presumptively a child is going to be better off being raised by blood relatives.
In addition to the volunteers you see here, an online petition to keep Lexi with the Page family has now garnered over 26,000 signatures, and that's just in 2 days. Tonight, the Department of Children and Family Services tells us it can't comment on the case, but adds it's bound by the courts.